Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we are going to replace the dead battery in a new style Audi key fob with a fresh one. It is sleeker than previous versions, and we first saw this in a 2019 Q8. We'll need the tip of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We'll first need to remove the mechanical key. Look for this chrome button on the back. Press it and pull the key ring end with your free hand and out it comes. Now we'll need to remove the cover seen here on the back. Looking into the space vacated by the key, look for the shelf-like structure below the cover towards the center. It needs to be pried upward. We'll use our favorite tool, but the mechanical key can be used in a pinch. It would need to be twisted toward the center somewhat. Pry upwards on the shelf. Once the cover pops up, it can be removed by hand. And you can see what we were prying on. The battery is now exposed with its markings up, and we see the CR2032. Use the screwdriver tip to get under it towards the back of the fob closest to the panic button. Push the new battery in, starting against the two metal connectors towards the top. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe it down once more. Make sure the battery's markings are up. Snap the cover back into place, slipping the two tabs in first on the panic button end, then pushing in the opposite end, and then replace the mechanical key. Test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.